Hi everyone, hi sir. My name is Kenneth Cueto and I'm currently 19 years old. I studied at Palm Valley Multiple Intelligence School located at Alaminos, Laguna. And my hobbies are playing online games like Mobile Legends, um, League of Legends, watching movies, reading ebooks, reading mangas, manhwas, painting basic stuffs, and collecting fragrances. Now, for my expectations for the courses GED 104 and GED 108. For GED 104, the contemporary world, I expect it to focus more on about issues globally and enhancing critical thinking and debates. And for GED 108, the art appreciation, more on widening our knowledge about certain stuffs, about paintings like my idol Leonardo da Vinci, his painting of the Starry Night, and enhancing our skills when it comes to creating stuffs like sculptures, paintings, and drawings. And for my life philosophy, it is quite simple. It is what you don't change, you choose. Just that. And that's all. And thank you for listening. I hope you have a good day.